This is a brand new 2014 Honda CR-V, a car-like ride and space like an SUV. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.